The biggest priorities was making sure that we had a consistent look across all of our facilities in our branding and marketing of our programs. Most importantly was looking at our uniforms to get a more consistent, clean, and modern look as we move forward.
Our goal truly was to just, how do we better support the brand and all the supporting parts to help respect the past of where they've been and also represent the future of where they want to go.
The process really started very shortly after Shane came on board. As we sat down and went through various partnerships and agreement, talked about where we were at with Nike. Working with the gig team was something that had been on our radar for a few years as we looked and saw what they were doing at other schools on other campuses.
I'm Paul Sullivan. I'm an art director in the gig.
My name is Matt Smith. I'm a graphic designer with Global Identity Group, or GIG. It's a partnership with their team and our team back and forth, and we give a lot of give and take to get to a place where we're both super happy, and it's being able to execute well yet represent the school in a very authentic way.
You know, we brought all the stakeholders to the table. It wasn't done in a vacuum. We tried to be as inclusive of the various groups and to help, I think, one, help us make sure that we were getting the right feedback from the right people, and two, to help them have a big picture view of what the West Virginia brand means to different groups across campus, including our student athletes and coaches.
The main emphasis that we shared with Nike was the Flying WV as our brand, and the rich tradition and history we've had with the Flying WV was very important to us, and to share with Nike that was not to be touched. It tells our story of who we are.
The Flying WV is probably, or one of, the most iconic logos in the NCAA landscape. Even though it's designed in 1980, it still is very timeless, it's very modern. Building and supporting the system around and off of that will represent the university for the future years to come.
Those angles are too some of the same angles we brought then into the word marks, the typography, the numeral system, and then onto the pattern, which is often scaled back, but it just kind of echoes back that feeling of balance as they kind of stack behind each other.
So even though we're focused right now on the football uniform unveiling, it's going to be exciting as the spring and summer progresses for us and for the fans to see additional teams that were part of this process and a new look, and show how that consistency plays through each of those uniforms.